Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Several cold fronts have affected the country in the past few days and cold air has spread northwards into the central parts of South Africa on Sunday. There were a few showers in places along the south coast as well, while along the Eastern Cape coastline extremely strong winds were experienced. Very high temperatures also developed into the low veld once again. Now for the low veld, it's going to be a much cooler day on Monday as cloudy skies develop. We are expecting drizzle and fog patches along the escarpment areas as well. Sunshine on the other hand is expected for the central and western parts of South Africa, and winds blowing off of the interior will also help to warm the coastline. Now we're expecting fairly rough seas to continue along parts of our coastal areas tomorrow, and because of this, the South African Weather Service has issued a warning for high seas between Plettenberg Bay and Durban, but those conditions will improve in the afternoon. A dry day for KwaZulu-Natal, partly cloudy in places, 17 degrees for Ladysmith and Vryheid, Kokstad starting off at -3. Very cold conditions are forecast at first across the Eastern Cape interior, Aliwal North with a minimum temperature of -8. Upper teens are forecast along the coastal belt. It will be cloudy at first, becoming sunny later on. And in the Western Cape, sunshine dominates on Monday afternoon, Oudtshoorn reaching a maximum temperature of 20. Upper teens for the rest of the province, single digits at first for the interior, where it will be frosty over the mountainous parts. Sutherland, on the other hand, will start off at -5. Vredendal warms up to 25, 26 degrees for Alexander Bay, sunny and cool for Springbok, while further inland we're expecting a very frosty morning, temperatures well below freezing as well for these areas, where Bloemfontein will start off at -4 and -5 for Kimberley. 20 degrees for Welkom in the afternoon hours, but cold for Harrismith at 15. Similar conditions for the northwest province, 22 degrees for Vryburg in the afternoon, as well as for Rustenburg, Ventersdorp starting off at 0. And a much cooler day in the forecast for Limpopo province, with drizzle and fog patches affecting Tsenin at first and a maximum temperature of only 14. Similar conditions for eMakazeni as well as Mkondo, while Standerton and Secunda will be very cold at first but sunny in the afternoon. Sunny skies for Gauteng, below freezing in Vereniging in the morning, and frosty areas for Johannesburg as well. Moving ahead to the winds, we're forecasting light wind conditions for much of South Africa, but moderate southwesterly winds still in the forecast for Durban and Richards Bay. Looking ahead to Tuesday, evening rainfall for Cape Town, a maximum of 19 degrees, partly cloudy and cool in Gauteng. And on Wednesday, we're forecasting a much colder day over western South Africa, while temperatures rise across the high veld.
News that moves. eNCA.com